discuss inverse of a matrix. Okay, so first of all we see the concept and then we go for example. Okay, so for any square matrix capital A, what is square matrix? Square matrix, matrix in which number of rows and columns must be same. So for any square matrix capital A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. We will give this as equation star. Okay. Now these three steps we follow to find inverse of any square matrix. So first step is find determinant of A. Here we have two possibilities. If determinant of A equal to 0, A inverse does not exist. This case close here. Whenever you find determinant of A equal to 0, you directly write A inverse does not exist. But when determinant of A not equal to 0, you can say A inverse exists, and then you go for step 2, which is find adjoint of A. What it is? It is nothing but whatever cofactor matrix you have, its transpose. That you will see in example. And last third step, find A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A equal to into adjoint of A, same as equation star, which is again same as equation star. Now we go for example. So this is example. Find A inverse of matrix capital A equal to this. Now say first of all it should be square matrix, so it contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So first of all we will find determinant of A, that is 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. Find out its determinant. Determinant of A equal to, so it is 1 into 2 into 2, this one, minus 1 into 3, minus 2, again 3 into 2, minus 1 into 3, plus 1, this one, 3 into 1, minus 1 into 2. Simplified. This becomes 4 minus 3, so it is 1, minus 2, this is 6 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1, 3 minus 2, it is 1. This is 1 minus 6. So this will determinant of A equal to minus 4, which shows A inverse exists because it is not equal to 0. This you can see. Then A, determinant of A is equal to minus 4, that's why you are saying it. This one, first case, A inverse exists. Now we go for step 2. Now for adjoint of A, first of all we will find minus. Okay, so M11 is minor of first row, first element. So it is 1, so minor of 1 it is 2 3 1 2. Here we can calculate for this one. So this row and this column neglect, rest of we will give you minor M11. So this is 2 2s are 4 minus 3, it is 1. M12, it is minor of 2. This becomes you have to neglect first row, second column. So 3 3 1 2. This is cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6 minus 3 is 3. M13 minor of first through third column. So entry is 1. So this one 3 2 1 1. This implies 3 minus 2, it is 1. Same way M21, it is for this one second row and first column, so it is 2 1 1 2. It is 4 minus 1, so it is 3. Same way M22, it is this one second row second column 1 1 1 2. So this gives you 2 minus 1 1. M23, so this is this one, so second row third column, so it is 1 2, second row third column 1 2 1 1, so it is minus 1. M31, this is first column and third row 2 1 2 3. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Same way M32, so this becomes third row second column 1 3 1 3, it is 0. M33, third row third column 1 2 3 2, 1 2 3 2, so it is 2 minus 6, it is minus 4. This one. Same way we can find cofactors. Cofactors. Now we write it as C11. I write this as cofactor of 1. Now what is cofactor? Cofactor equal to minus 1 power I plus j mij. This is basic formula to finding cofactor using minus. So here what we need? Minus 1 power address of 1. What it is? First row, first column. So it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1. This will gives you minus 1 power 2. So it is 1. So it is same as it is 1. Same way C12. What it shows? Cofactor of first row second column. So it is minus 1. Minor part same. Only sign changes here. 1 plus 2. So it is minus 3. Same way C13, it will gives you minus 1 power 1 plus 3. So this will minus 1 power 3 plus 1. So it is 1. Same way C21, it is minus 1 power 2 plus 1. So it is minus 1 power 3. So it is minus 3. C22, minus 1 power 2 plus 2. So it is minus 1 power 4. So it is again same. C23, minus 1 power 2 plus 3. So it is minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 1. C31. So it is minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Here it is minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into 4. So it is 4 as it is. This one C32 minus 1 power 3 plus 2. Plus 2, so it is 0 as it is, and C133, so it is minus 1 power 3 plus 3, so it is minus 1 power 6, so it is same as it is minus 4. So this way we can find out all the cofactors. Now from this, now cofactor matrix. Say something C. Values are C11, C12, C13, C21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. This one. So here what we have, C11 it is 1, C12 it is minus 3, C13 it is 1, 21 it is minus 3, 22 it is 1, 23 it is 1, 31 it is 4, 0 and minus 4. This one. So this way we can find cofactor matrix. Now using this cofactor matrix we will find adjoint of A. That adjoint of A equal to cofactor matrix transpose. Simply we can say transpose of this matrix 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 1 1 4 0 minus 4 transpose. So what it means transpose? In transpose rows and columns are interchanged. So what we have done, simply first row we will write in first column 1 minus 3 1, second row in second column, third row in third column. That's it. So this is our adjoint of A. Hence, A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Put out the values. So at the very start, what we can find? Determinant of A equal to minus 4 and this one. 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 1 1 1 minus 4. This way you can get, here it is 0. Sorry, this becomes minus 1 by 4 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 0 1 1 4, or you can multiply it inside also. So you can write this as minus 1 by 4 3 by 4 minus 1 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 0 minus 1 by 4 again minus 1 by 4 plus 1. This way you can find your answer. One more example. It is we are taking for 2 cross 2. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is for 2 cross 2. Same process. What we have done for 3 cross 3, similarly we can do for 2 cross 2. First of all, find the determinant of A. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So this becomes 4 minus 6. So it is minus 2, which is not equal to 0. From here, what you can say? A inverse exists. Now, for adjoint of A, second step. So first of all, find out all the minors. All the minors here. Minus. What it is? M11. It is minor of first row, first column. So it is minor of 1. Minor of 1. So it is 4. So you have to neglect first row, first column. So rest of is your minor. So it is 4. M12. It is first row, second column. So it is 3. Same way. M21. It is first column and second row. So it is 2. M22. Second row, second column. So it is 1. And cofactors, which are C11 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 M11. This is minus 1 power 2. M11 is 4. So it is 4. C12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 M12. It is minus 1 power 3 into 3. So it is minus 3. C21 minus 1 power 2 plus 1 M21. M21 it is 3 or 2 sorry. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into 2. So it is minus 2. C22 it is minus 1 power 2 plus 2 M22. This is M22 it is 1. So answer is minus 1 power 4 into 1. So it is 1. Hence you can say therefore adjoint of A equal to you can write cofactor matrix transpose. And from here what we can say? Cofactor matrix C equal to C11 it is 4, C12 it is minus 3, minus 2 and 1. This is nothing but 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. And use this. Hence A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So determinant of A is minus 2 into this is transpose. So you have to find transpose. So transpose you will get 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. So it is 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. So this becomes minus 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is your answer. Thank you. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.